Music. Need a premium ride? This video reviews Blacklane. Find booking links below. Whether airport transfers, city-to-city travel, or chauffeured service, Blacklane offers pre-booked rides in 50+ countries. Unlike ride-hailing apps, Blacklane provides professional drivers, luxury vehicles, and all-inclusive pricing for stress-free travel. Booking is easy. Enter locations, choose your vehicle, business, first class, SUV, and confirm. Blacklane's fixed pricing means no surge pricing or traffic delay charges. Airport pickups include meet and greet service with flight tracking, so your driver awaits, even with delays. Enjoy free cancellation up to 1 hour before rides or 24 hours for intercity transfers. Perfect for business travelers, luxury tourists, or anyone prioritizing reliability and comfort. Blacklane elevates airport pickups, meeting transfers, and special occasion travel. Compared to taxis or Uber, expect superior service, cleaner vehicles, and professionally trained drivers. For longer distances, their city-to-city service rivals flights or trains. While more expensive than standard rides, the premium service justifies the cost. Availability might be limited in smaller cities. But for reliable, fixed price, high-end travel, Blacklane excels. Looking for stress-free, luxurious transport with professional drivers and no hidden fees? Check the links below.